morning and it's 28 degrees. So we were thinking about what if we go in the woods and we do a picnic time. Let's pack up the things and then we get going. So let me show you what we are gonna take with us on the picnic. First of all, peach for us. Of course, salami steak pickups from Japan. Then for our little Macy, we have carrots and tomatoes because she loves that. And then of course, chicken sticks. We got Melissa with Darko. Let's go to the picnic. So one little thing. Can we talk about her shoes? Like
I took the best shoes.
what is happening?
I took the best
So
shoes.
these are the new shoes for the forest.
New trend.
New trend.
Now look at this beautiful forest in summer. I think this is where they grow some Christmas trees, it looks like. I'm not sure though. Audrey,
Yeah, tell me.
what is your tip of the day?
Get better by 1% every single day in every area of your life. If it is 1% better about doing your tasks, or 1% better about being professional, 1% better in communicating, 1% better in your relationship, because at the end of the year you are 37 times better, and this is actually a big step, and a lot of people don't realize that because it actually really comes to your daily habits, and success is about your daily habits, and it's not that big moment or that big step. It's found in every single day, in every little details. So enjoy your day today and never forget to smile.
Is this Mikro on?
Yeah.
So welcome to the picnic table.
Yeah!
Check it out with me. So here we have, of course, part of the inventory. We have a little dog sitting there and a big guardian dog. And then, obviously, we have the picnic table where we will sit down now and have some lunch. But the most amazing part, of course, is the view. Beautiful view.
So tell us, what do we got?
Cherry lane. Erdbeeren.
Strawberries? Milchschnitte. Come on. I am always have been Team Milchschnitte and not Team Penguin. What are you? Team Milchschnitte or
Both.
Team? So let's eat.
Come here almost every single week to just calm down, relax, reflect, and just be offline. Right now I'm teaching Melissa how to, what's the word for it? Snap, Schnips, Kirschkernschnipsen. Melissa?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna do a slow-mo on that. Oh my god.
One more time, we're gonna celebrate.
Ich glaube, das ist nicht normal.
She has the right shoes to
Yeah.
go in the forest.
Chinelos.
When we go down, she just,
Drop on me.
yeah, so when I'm falling, she's falling too. Wow,
We fall together.
amazing. And this is Maisie's place.
I think here we don't even see much, but on the way up you will see that there is multiple wells going 200, 300 meters down where they got the water back then. Okay guys, so the cave where we were just in was just below us, and you can see this green thing there. Check it out. This is one of these ancient wells. In German we say Brunnen. We can click here, check this out, click. And now the light is turning on and you can see far below. And this was just discovered 26 years ago, but they were built like 500 years ago. Or even longer, maybe 1,000 years ago. That's how they got water. And there's plenty of these. Ah, we can clean it. It's a car wash. It's the car wash.
Ja, kauwers. Maar 5 euro was het.